All right. We know that 78 people are going to homecoming. So the attendees, all of these is 78. We know that 28 of these people were not on ASB, which makes 50 of them on ASB. We know all of the ASB people went. And we know that 250 students polled were not on ASB. So here's the not on ASB, and 250 is the people not polled. So looking here, I can figure out what this number is here by subtracting. So 250 minus 28 is 222. So now we can figure out how many total people were polled. So I can go ahead and 222 plus 78 gives us 300. So we're trying to figure out if there's a relationship between them. In other words, is there some sort of unequal probability? So we're going to go ahead and look and see probability of ASB versus probability of ASB given that you went to homecoming. That's what we're interested in. I can do it the other way. I can do probability of attending and then probability of attending given that you're on ASB. So let's go ahead and look at both of these so we can kind of see what's going on. The probability of ASB is 50 out of 300. Which 50 divided by 300 is 17% when I round up. Given that you're attending, 78, 50 of them are ASB, so 50 divided by 78 is absolutely not equal to each other. There's a lot more people who are attending than actually are in ASB. Let's look at it this way here. The probability of just attending at all is 78 out of 300. So that's 78 divided by 300, which is 26%. If you're on ASB 50 and you attend, it's 100%. So is there a relationship? Yes. If you're on ASB, you have a much higher chance. If you went, you have a much higher chance of being on ASB. So there's definitely a relationship. It's absolutely not independent because these probabilities or these probabilities would have had to be the same in order for it to be independent.